In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to Kanban View in Monday.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and how to set up the Kanban View so you can visualize your work in a clean card-based layout. Let's start from your board in Monday.com. Imagine you're already looking at your usual table view with rows and columns. At the top of the board, you'll see a menu of different views, like Main Table, Chart, or others you may have added. If Kanban View has already been set up on this board, you'll see a tab labeled Kanban near the top. In that case, switching is incredibly simple. All you need to do is click on the Kanban tab. As soon as you click it, your board will transform from a traditional table into a series of vertical columns, with each item displayed as a card. This layout is perfect for tracking tasks as they move through stages like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Take a moment to look around and get familiar with the layout. You should still see the same items you had in the table view, just organized visually by status or another chosen column. Now, if you don't see a Kanban tab at the top of your screen, that means the Kanban view hasn't been added to this board yet. Don't worry, adding it takes only a few seconds. At the top of your board, near the existing view tabs, look for a small plus sign. This plus sign is used to add new views to your board. Click on the plus sign. A panel or drop-down will open, showing you different types of views you can add. In this list, look for the option labeled Kanban. Once you find it, click on Kanban. Monday.com will then create a new Kanban view for this board and open it automatically. After the Kanban view appears, you can adjust how your cards are grouped, usually by choosing which column represents the different stages or categories. For example, you might use your status column so each status becomes a Kanban column. This makes it easy to drag cards from one stage to another as work progresses. That's all you need to do to switch to Kanban View in Monday.com. Either click on the existing Kanban tab at the top of your board, or if it's not there yet, click the plus sign, select Kanban, and let Monday.com build the view for you.